These are some more baggage claim elevators here at the Milwaukee Mitchell International Airport in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Got some more Otis Lexans modded by Series 2. Let's go to 5. Here we go. Here at 5. 1. Door goes works. Didn't get to film these last time because I didn't have enough time. But actually, I'm here because I just took a coach bus coming from Chicago here. Here at 1. Cab is very nice though. 35 petrol capacity indicators right there. Send us up. Amber buttons. I'm gonna go get the other one now. Oh, this one smells like smoke. Ew. Let's get a dual indicator. Wow, these are fast. Well, not well and down at 1. We're gonna get a dual indicator one more time. You know, these are amber buttons on a modded Otis are very cool. Although these are still very nice, even though these were modded. That's the newer Otis logo from the Lexans. There it goes. These are the A elevators, and that'll be it.